Guinness World Record, furthest bowling ball thrown.
Oh, yeah.
Stuff like that.
Guinness World Records. Yeah.
Does the world not cover the moon?
No. What? What the hell is wrong with you?
We're not on planet world. Like, what is the world?
What is the world?
What is the world? Isn't it our world, like everything that we know?
This is coming from the dude who comes from a country that's called 8 different things.
Is the world the planet?
You're from a country that's called the UK, Great Britain, and England,
Right?
So you explain to
They're
me.
all different things.
They are all different things.
I'm also from the British Isles and Europe. They're all different.
Right. So guess what? Earth can have 4 different names too.